As part of the governor's Seniors First vaccine rollout, the state is now going into densely populated retirement communities to give out the shot. ABC Action News reporter Wendy Lane is getting an inside look at what's being called the first megapod vaccination in the Bay Area.
Good morning. I can see there's just one of you for the vaccination.
It is a good morning for the hundreds of members of the Sun City Center Community Association who are getting their first dose of the COVID-19 vaccine.
We call these things pods. We've done it in other parts of the state, basically bringing vaccine to areas where there's a high concentration of elderly folks.
This week, the state has set up drive-through stations in this community to give its members 5,000 doses of the vaccine. Many people rolling up in golf carts.
Some of our seniors, they only have a golf cart because we are a golf cart community, so they don't have a vehicle anymore. So this was a way for them to get the shot through golf cart that they would not have been able to get to another place to get it.
With the help of the state and volunteers, 125 people are vaccinated per hour, and some are just there for emotional support.
Oh, my little vaccine dog, yeah, buddy.
Buddy, the vaccine dog, is along for the ride as his owners Frank Popovich and Elaine Schaefer get their shots. They think this is a good way to get seniors vaccinated fast.
To go around to the communities, different, where there is the people that need the shot, instead of people traveling 20, 30 miles to go get a shot.
Governor Ron DeSantis says this is one of 77 state vaccination sites across Florida. He plans to set up more pods like this in the coming weeks. In Sun City Center, that was it.
That's it. All that hype. Whee!
Wendy Lane, ABC Action News.